Hey, welcome back. Today, I'm excited. It's something I've been trying to do for a long time. This front bumper, this '07, no more. So let's get into today's video. So listen what we got today. We got all these packages. Yes, sir. Christmas came early. All right, so let's go ahead and check these out. Yo, these are crispy. Got the new grill. Ooh, can't forget the foggies though. This shit go to. Can't forget the most important piece is the front bumper. There we go. Alright, so let's start with this part. Pretty sure this thing goes. Oh, these are supposed to go in here too. I got you. Alright, so these I could. Here. Just a puzzle. I got a fucking puzzle.
You got it from IKEA?
Alright, so I got the bottom grill on. It's actually not even sitting flush. It's good here, flush here, but for some reason it just will not, actually sit in place with how it's supposed to. If I pull this side and this side gets pulled up, I don't know. I think I have to do some trimming. I need to figure it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and start working on the fog lights and all right, let's go ahead and start piecing this thing together. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and start piecing it together, and then once I piece it together, figure out how everything pretty much goes, then we'll go ahead and try to start installing this. I'll see you in a few. I was able to take off the front bumper, and I have Aqua right there. What's up, Aqua? You wanna say hi to everybody? You wanna say hi? You don't wanna say hi to everybody? Uh-huh. You don't wanna say hi? You don't wanna say hi? But yeah, so I was able to take the front bumper off. It wasn't too hard. You just had to take off. They have like some fasteners up here that has the cover. This cover right here goes actually right here. You gotta take the fasteners off of there, and then there's fasteners at the bottom right up here along the edge of the bumper, and then there's a screw that's right here with a Phillips head. It's like somewhere right in here with the Phillips head on both sides. And once you take all those screws off, it's easy. You just pull it off and it comes off. And right now I'm working on the headlight. This one kind of was a little pain in the ass, but it's a screw that's right here that goes to the bracket, to this bracket that's right here. There's a hidden screw right up here, which is that one, which you can kind of see is still there. There's a long screw that's long right there. It's a screw that goes right there, and pretty much after that, kind of have to wiggle it out. So right now I'm just gonna work on the headlights, get the headlights installed, get the new lights going, and then I will go from there and give you guys an update of how it's going. Finally got the new headlights on. The new headlights are in. the most satisfying part. Sheesh. Look how crispy these headlights are. I need to spray paint this black, but she looking nice though. She looking clean. We're working on the bumper now, so once I get the bumper installed, I'll let y'all know how it went. Look how clean she looks. Man, this upgrade definitely worth it. Took me a couple days just because the sunlight, but my goodness, look how clean she looks, man. Only problem I have with this bumper, I did buy it off of eBay. It has this little gap right here. Didn't really align. Didn't really align with the bottom grill on both sides. I'm gonna have to do some trimming, or maybe want to get it painted. But both sides have this same exact gap. Not a fan of it. But from far away, she looks beautiful. She looks clean. I just gotta get the H symbol put on, which I'm gonna grab it off my old bumper, which I have it right up there. I'm gonna grab it, that symbol, throw that right on here. And then all I gotta do is right now, go ahead and wire up the fog lights. Got everything already pretty much tied in. Just gonna go ahead and see how to get this done, and I'll give you an update once I get it done. Final touch was just done. Look at how she came out. Came out fire. I have the lip coming soon, so the lip should be coming. I'm gonna do the HFP replica. Oh man, look at her. Got the LEDs on the top and bottom. And this thing is coming out great. It took me a while to do it. Did it by myself. But I was able to do it with somebody else, but it came out a little bit quicker. But I like it. Came out cool. Came out nice. Got the lip coming. The lip will change it up. And if you stay tuned, I got something else too. Coming very, very soon. But yes, she came out phenomenal. I love it. Let me know what y'all think. So this is exactly how she's looking at night. And it's kind of somewhat dusk, but she looks really good. I like it. Fresh headlights, LEDs. Car's coming along little by little. Oh, something I did off camera, I was able to get these coated. I don't know if you guys remember, I had these very rusted. I was able to get them pretty much primer down all the way. They put some new metal, some Bondo, obviously, and needed it. She looks good. She looks good for what it is. She's getting better. I still have that issue with the clunking on the front suspension, both passenger and driver. I got one bolt that's in here that's stripped, and it's just giving me a pain in the ass to get off. So if anybody has any recommendations to get that off, I would gladly appreciate it. So yeah, this is her. Little by little. This is all before she gets painted completely. But she looks good. She's missing the front lip, which hopefully I can have soon. I need to get rid of a couple things. But tell me what y'all think of the new lights, the new front end. I think the front end it's really awesome. Gives it a little bit more character. I like this upgraded version better. Let me know what y'all think.